Hi, it's day 2 in our Momentum stock play, and we're up 250% on our little Momentum stock play that we started 2 days ago. And this is just showing you how you can turn small bits of money into larger bits of money, take that initial investment out and turn it into another stock while you ride the free money on the stock that's left on your play that you made money with. So we'll get right into it and which stock we're looking at in just a minute. But first, I want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always seek a financial advisor before making any financial decisions. This is for educational purposes only. We want to educate you so that you can make better financial decisions with your financial advisor. And that being said, we'll get into the educational process here. So we're looking at the stock MAXD in case you didn't see the previous video. If not, you can watch that with the link right here, and we'll have it in the description below as well. So let's take a look at where we are. This is MAXD, and back on February 5th, it was at 0.0009 cents. Just a refresher here, it did a spike, showed up on my scanner. The next day I decided to jump in when it came down to a resistance point here that was pretty close to the resistance point down here. And then we jumped in with 60,000 shares at 0.0019, which is a whole $114. So not a huge play by any means. In fact, we even have to pay a $4.95 fee through TD Ameritrade because this is an over-the-counter stock. But it was great. This morning we woke up. I didn't even get up pre-market today. I actually slept in and got to my computer about 8 o'clock and saw that we'd had a huge spike this morning on it. And so after having breakfast and getting over to my computer, let's switch to the one-day chart here. So looking at the one-day chart here, if we zoom in a little bit more. So at 9 o'clock, I saw that we were hitting some resistance. There was RSI divergence here, and it looked like a good point to jump out. So I sold half my shares, 30,000 shares at 0.0067 for basically jumping out with $201 minus $4.95 for the fee for the overcount, minus $4.95 for the over-the-counter fee, which gave me $196.05. And granted, remember, I only put $118.95 into the whole stock. So I'm out with profit, and I'm out with my initial investment. And as we're making this video, we still are in at $228. And as you can see, it did actually, instead of falling like, in a lot of cases, you'll when these hit new resistance points, they can tend to just fall off below. But as you can see, this was, there was strong price action on it. It held and jumped up to the 0.0084 cents. So once again, if we jump back, I love looking at the 30-day on this because this is where these momentum plays are just awesome, because depending on the catalyst and what's going on, the stock can continue to go on a tear, especially since the stock is so low priced, which is why I love these sub pennies. And we can see with this huge spike to 0.084, we might have some huge slippage. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down to 0.0059 cents or something, and then possibly head back up, or just possibly head right back down. But remembering that in yesterday's video, we go back to the 5-day, this was where we were talking about a 50% return on our investment one day later. So less than 24 hours later, we'd made 50%, and less than 48 hours later, we'd made 250% on our investment. So this is the power of these sub-penny momentum plays. And once again, with these, we just use our risk capital. We put in small amounts of money that we don't care if we're going to lose, whatever that looks like to you. So if we look at this play, once again, we invested a whole $118.95 if we include the fees. And when I pulled out so far $196, plus there's about $234 still sitting there. So a 250% gain in the stock in 2 days. We've already pulled out our initial investment. I can take that $196, put it into 2 more of these plays, and wait for one of them or both of them to double or more. And this is how I build a portfolio of these sub-penny stocks. If learning more about these sub-penny stock plays and finding the plays that I'm jumping into that I think have potential, check out our Patreon in the link below, and you can sign up there, and we will notify you whenever we're jumping in and out of different plays, so you can become more educated on how these plays work and how we're winning or losing on those different plays. So thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, please smash that like button. It helps with our video coming up so more people can be educated by Yorgle. And at Yorgle, it is our goal to help you reach your goal. So we hope that you'll subscribe and click that bell notification so that we can notify you whenever we've got a new video that comes out on our channel. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.